I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Have you developed and installed an innovative and original machine vision integration project that met or surpassed your client's application criteria? Then we've got some great news. Vision Systems Design has launched its inaugural Integration Project of the Year Awards program. The awards will celebrate machine vision integration projects that are running successfully in production environments in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, warehousing and logistics, and agriculture. So let's connect. Tell us about your work in automated inspection, autonomous systems, robotics, and more. Visit vision-systems.com for more information and to enter online. The deadline is June 18th. It's that time of year again, the Automate Show, organized by the Association for Advancing Automation. The event will be held May 12th through the 15th in Detroit, along the city's riverfront. Automate spotlights all things industrial automation, including products and technologies in machine vision and imaging, robotics, AI, and motion control. The event hosts over 800 exhibitors and more than 140 educational sessions, as well as professional certification opportunities in machine vision and motion control. Several keynote speakers are a highlight of Automate too. This year, those include Brad Holmes, the Executive Vice President and General Manager of the Detroit Lions, Deepu Talla, Vice President of Robotics and Edge AI at NVIDIA, Amir Paul, President of Schneider Electric's North America Operations, and Ujwal Kamar, Group President of Teradyne Robotics. Over time, banknotes deteriorate, making it difficult for machines to read serial numbers. But determining their fitness for continued circulation can be tough. Now, a team at the AIT Austrian Institute of Technology is working on a solution. Part of AIT's Digital Safety and Security Department, the team is developing a system to inspect paper money banknotes. Existing 2D inspection systems can identify non-dimensional flaws such as fading, stains, or tears, but can't detect dimensional flaws like creasing, which is one of the main reasons banknotes become unfit for recirculation and need to be replaced. This new 3D inspection solution goes much more in depth. It uses a ChromaSense 3D pixel line scan camera with highly efficient algorithms for inline assessment to examine both sides of a banknote. It can separate texture-like elements from its surface and expose wrinkle structure and elevations. The system has already successfully tested 30 banknotes labeled by national bank experts, but the team says further testing is needed to validate their approach. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.